Goat farming as a profitable business idea. Goat farming is not just a business. It's a step toward independence and rural development. With rising demand for organic meat and dairy, it's an opportunity waiting to be explored. So, if you're looking for a business with low risk and high reward, goat farming might be your golden chance. Goat farming is not just a business. It's a step toward independence and rural development. In villages where job opportunities are limited, this small initiative can turn into a big transformation. Goats are easy to raise, require less space, and deliver great returns. From organic meat to fresh milk, and even the offspring, everything can bring profit. Today, when more and more people are becoming health conscious, the demand for organic products is growing rapidly. And one powerful answer to this demand is goat farming. Low investment, low risk, high reward. This is the formula that makes goat farming a golden opportunity for every young entrepreneur. Whether you're from a small town or a remote village, if you have the courage to start with just 2 or 3 goats, tomorrow you could be the top supplier in your region. Not only can you earn a living, but you can also create jobs for others. This is how real rural progress begins. With one idea, one step, and one determined person like you. So, if you're looking for a business with low risk and high reward, make your decision today. Take your first step into goat farming and start your journey toward financial freedom and community impact. Subscribe now and start your journey today.